Welcome everyone, my name is Elisha Gaza. In today's tutorial I'll be showing you how to create a simple landing page where you'll be able to sell your digital product for free. Now today I'll be showing you how to create a landing page on selar.co. Now this is the website selar.co, selar.co. Now if you are new to this channel, I talk about how to create landing page, sales page, how to create Amazon ebook and publish your book on Amazon, and how to make money online. Now in today's tutorial I'll be talking about how you can create a very simple landing page where you will be able to sell your ebook or courses for free. Now if you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe so that you get notified each time I upload new video on my channel. So if you are new to selar.com, all you need to do is click on start selling. But since I have an account in selar.com, I'll be opening another new browser here and I will show you how to log in. When you're registering, all you just need to do is to put your username. Let's say for instance Elidemic, and you put your email address, and then you put your full name, and then you put a password. Then all you need to do is click on create account and your account will be created. But since I have an account with selar.com, all I need to do is to come on to login. You see here the same email here, it's the same email that is here that I used to open the account. All I just need to do is login. Now this is my dashboard. You can see I've uploaded all products here, 4 products, but I have not made any sale yet because I've not run any advert to this link here. And you can actually see the 4 products here if I click on these 4. Now these are ebooks that I wrote and uploaded on Amazon.com, and you can actually, let me open my KDP account. Now you can actually see here one of the book is Living Life at its Best, a digital product that is cost 1,499 naira. How to have a positive mindset, 1,499 naira. How to write an ebook in 7 days, 1,500. And how to have a positive mindset is an audio version. And my subsequent video I'll be telling you how to create a video, a audio version of your book. Let me log in. Now all you need to do is, after you create your account, is come here to add product. Now you can see from here you can add physical product, sell any kind of physical product from clothing to books to electronics and appliances and more. Now here is digital products, here is ticket, and you can sell your courses hosted on Selar. But you can see here is a pro version. You will need to upgrade your plan if you want to go with this, and all these are pro version. But all you just need to do is, you want to say your digital product is come to digital and click next. And let's say for instance, let me upload one of my book I just created, title A Tale of Long Distance Relationship. You create the image of your, and then you put the name of your book. Then you put your price, and then you put the description of your book here. Okay, let me go to there and pick my all you need to do here is to fix your description. Then here you need to click if it's a digital product or you want to host it. It's a digital product. I'll click on digital. Then you can click on category. You want to say if it is downloadable or it's an ebook you want them to read online. If you want them to read online, you click on this, and then you want them to download it. I want them to download it, and then all I need to do is to drag my ebook to this place. Then after I finish uploading, then I can create my product. And let me show you some of my Canva ebooks here that I've published. You can see it here, A Tale of Long Distance Relationship. It's the Kindle ebook version is live, and then the ebook paperback version is still in review because I just uploaded it today. And all I need to do is click on create product. Don't forget that if you want to learn how to create landing page using MailChimp and other platform apart from Selar.co, don't forget to like this video, comment below what you want me to create in my next video, and don't forget to share this video so that it gets a lot of engagement. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So let's try to see the link and see how it will appear if you decide to market this book, the link using social media platforms. Just click on this link and it will open on the next browser. Now you see the amount, and all you need to do is click on buy. You can see the description of your ebook.